Hello students, welcome to my channel Basic Mathematics. We are discussing about sets, union, intersection, difference. We have done it. Now we will discuss about complement of a set. What do you mean by complement of a set? Complement of a set. Right? What is this? এইটা কোন কমপ্লিমেন্ট অফ এ সেট কইলে আমি কোন বুঝু না কমপ্লিমেন্ট অফ এ সেট ইজ নাথিং বাট the difference of universal set and the set itself. Suppose let A be any set, then complement of A is U difference A, where U is the universal set. It is the universal set. This is the universal set. The superset of every set coming under our discussion, right? We represent it symbolically as A dash, right? That is A dash is U difference A. This is A complement. Suppose if you take the Venn diagram, suppose this is our universal set, right? And this is your set A. Then this portion, the elements which are present in the universal set but not right, the set of elements which are present, it is the universal set, and this is A complement. So that region is A complement. Thus elements outside of A which are not present in A, जो एलिमेंट गुड़ाक A रे नाहंती किंतु यूनिवर्सल सेट रे अछंती, सेही मानकु नै कि जो सेटटा हबो सेटा को जाय A complement, right? सेमान कोन को जिवो A complement, right? Suppose our universal set, let universal set is the set of integers, right? Suppose this is our universal set, then let A be the set of natural numbers, then A complement is the set of negative integers, right? The set of negative, that is A hela amaro 0 1 2 3. Yes, A complement will be it is -4 -3 -2 -1, right, up to -1. This is a complement. So clear, complement of a set It is the set of elements which are not present in A, but present in the universal set. That is our, from this Venn diagram it is clear, right? The set of elements outside of A means not present in A but in the universal set. जोड़ा A रे नाहंती किंतु universal set रे अच्छंती सेही मानकु नै कि हम जो सेट करबा सेटा कहबा complement of A, right? Let us write some properties of complement, right? Yes, okay. Properties. What are the properties? Simply हमें पढ़ले union, intersection, difference, simply just like difference. Actually, difference means relative complement. A difference B. This is nothing but complement of B with respect to A. तमने जोड़ा B रे अच्छंती किंतु A रे नांती सेटा होचे A difference B. तेणु difference और complement भितरे एतिकी पार्थक्य आमे एठी यूनिवर्सल सेट रो कंप्लीट डिफरेंस टा नोच. यस, properties of complement of a set. Number 1, A is a subset of B implies B complement is a subset of A complement. Number 2, complement of null set is the universal set and complement of universal set is the null set. And number 3, complement of A is A itself. Number 4, De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law. What is this? A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Number 2, A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. And in general हमें यूज करिबा, yes, 5, suppose I union I is equal to 1 to n AI whole complement is equal to intersection I is equal to 1 to n AI complement. Number 2, similarly for intersection AI is equal to 1 to n whole complement is equal to union I is equal to 1 to n AI complement. Right. So these are the properties we have to be acquainted with. Very simple properties. A is a subset of B. First one, proof. A is a subset of B implies B complement is a subset of A complement. जोटी A टा B रा सबसेट हेथिबो सिटी A complement टा हम जदी डायग्राम करके देखिबा, Venn diagram, suppose it is a bigger set, this is the universal set and this is say A, suppose B, this is B and a very small set is there, that is A. Yes, what is B complement you see? This is B complement. Right? This is B complement. Right? This is B complement. B complement. And what about A complement? Let us see. This is A, this is B, right? It is A, it is B, and it is the universal set. It is settled region will be A complement. Sorry, A complement. A complement will be this part. This is A complement. You see, same figure. You see, A complement. It is a superset of this. A portion miss jaଉଛି. This is a superset of A. B complement. A complement. This is A complement. This is a superset of this. That means B complement is a subset of A complement. So let us prove it. Let us prove it logically. Yes, okay. Suppose we say that given that, what is given? A is a subset of B. To be proved, B complement is a subset of A complement. Therefore, let X belongs to B complement. Suppose X is an element of B complement, and this implies what can be written? X does not belong to B. B रे नहीं. B रे नहीं. X does not belong to B. X does not belong to B means this is B. ता माने जदि B भीतर नहीं, एटा B रो उटे सबसेट. ए फिगर देखो. एटा होची B रो उटे, A is a subset of B. If the element is not in B, there is no question of presence in A. जदि B रे नहीं, A रे रहिबो नहीं. Confirm. X does not belong to A as A is a subset of B. बड़ सेट रे नहीं. हेले ताहले छोटो सेट केमति रहिबो? रहि परिबोनी. मने करो तुमरो विलेज. तुमे जने सांग को खोजो. सी तुम विलेज भितरे नाही. ताहले तुम घरे रहि परिबो कि ना? नथिबो. राइट? बुझी होची. तेणु से भलिया जेतले बी रे नाही, बी टा होची बिगर सेट, सुपर सेट ऑफ ए, बड़ सेट रे नाही. ताहले ता भितर जो छोटिया सेट टे अछि ए, ता भितर ई केमति रहिबो? रहिबो. X does not belong to A. This implies X belongs to what रहिबो? A complement. A रे नाही माने A complement अछि. X belongs to A complement. Thus X belongs to B complement implies X belongs to A complement. So B complement is a very simple proof. B complement is a subset of A complement. Right? Mathematics रे strong भाग हेले इमदी छोटे छोटे प्रूफ गुडा को तुमे कले ब्रेन टा एकदम लॉजिकल हबो. राइट? करि परिबो. सब बेले क्वेश्चन पचारन जे परीक्षा रे एग्जाम whether it will come or not, whether we have to prove or not. Let us try to prove so that we will be acquainted with the logic and we will be mathematically more strong. Right? Okay. Now, with the same logic, null set, complement of null set is the universal set. Complement of the universal set must be null set. Because you see, null set is nothing, no element is there. So the element which is present in U but not in null set, that is a null set, complement of null set. And universal set रे समस्त अछंदी. के नहीं? No element. So its complement will be null set, right? Number 3 is also very easy. 3 proof. Now x belongs to a complement of the complement of a. This implies what? X does not belong to a complement. This implies x belongs to a. The reverse jiva x error if x is in a, it implies x does not belong to a complement. X does not belong to a complement implies x belongs to complement of the complement of a. তাহলে thus x belongs to a complement implies and implied by x belongs to a. So a complement or complement is equal to a. Right. Now the very important law, the De Morgan's law in set theory. This is a very important law. De Morgan's law. Complement of the union of two sets is equal to intersection of their complement. ଦୁଇଟି ସେଟ୍ ର ୟୁନିୟନ ର କମ୍ପ୍ଲିମେଣ୍ଟ ଆମେ ଯଦି ନବା that is equal to ଆଗେ ଇଣ୍ଡିଭିଜୁଆଲ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିମେଣ୍ଟ ବାହାର କରିବା ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଇଣ୍ଟରସେକ୍ସନ, right? Let us see. Suppose it is 4 first part I will do, second part similarly you can do. X belongs to a union B whole complement, right? This implies and implied by what? X does not belong to a union B. ଆମେ କହିପାରିବା ଯେ x belongs to U and x does not belong to a union B, right? ସେଟା obvious. X must be in the inversion set. So ଲେଖିବା କିଛି ଆବଶ୍ୟକ ପଡୁନାହିଁ. There is no necessity of writing that x belongs to U, the universal set, and x does. There is no necessity. And this implies, yes, in the last lecture I have told you x does not belong to a union B. A union B does not belong to कौन आसिबो? And. So x does not belong to A and x does not belong to B. Okay? And this implies x belongs to A complement and x belongs to B complement. Very simple. And this implies and implied by x belongs to A complement intersection B complement. Thus, x belongs to A union B whole complement implies and implied by x belongs to A complement intersection B complement. So, A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. And in the similar manner you can prove this, right? And like difference of two sets, you also can prove this, right? But as I will try today, I will show you how this can be proved using method of induction. Principle of induction. We have already read the principle of induction. The principle of induction use करके हमें केमती prove करें. Let us see. Okay. Yes. Yes, I will. Very simple. In the last lecture हम जो difference रे भी करथिले union of n sets intersection ताकू भी तमे induction व्यवहार करी परिबे. Proof using principle of induction. Principle of induction, right? कौन? Let Pn represents union I is equal to 1 to n ai whole complement is equal to intersection I is equal to 1 to n suppose this is our statement Pn, right? Statement about a natural number एठी n greater than equal to 2 कहीं union में नवा union of two sets, intersection of two sets, difference of two sets गोटे सेट किंते हो हमारे so it union अच्छी minimum n is equal to 2. So let us take for n is equal to 2 LHS is equal to union I is equal to 1 to 2 A the complement that is equal to A1 union A2 complement, and just we have seen that is acha, but x belongs to A1 union A2, right? Complement implies and implied by after हम कर दो x does not belong to A1 union A2. A1 union A2 रे नहीं we have done it. A union B कहते ए टिके पूर्व हम प्रमाण करते डी मॉर्गन्स लॉ A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. एठी A1 A2 यूज होची instead of A union B. A union A1 union A2 whole complement is equal to A complement A1 complement intersection A2 complement. ऐसे कथा मु प्रूफ आउथरे कर दउछि. This implies and implied by x does not belong to A1 or x does and union अच्छी does not belong to asla and बसियो does not belong to A2. This implies x belongs to A1 complement and x belongs to A2 complement. This implies and implied by x belongs to A1 complement intersection A2 complement. Tale so A1 union A2 whole complement is equal to A complement intersection A2 complement. Thus P2 is true, right? P2 is true. Let P and B true for some n greater than equal to 2. Suppose I will can't prove kariba Pn plus 1 is also true. This implies kon hum bujhiba union I is equal to 1 to n AI whole complement is equal to intersection I is equal to 1 to n AI complement, right? Now for n plus 1 union I is equal to 1 to n plus 1 AI can be written as union I is equal to 1 to n AI union n plus 1. अरे भाई इटा A1 ठारू आरंभ करकी A n plus 1 सेट रा यूनियन अछि ताकू आमे कले 1 ठारू आरंभ करकी n पर्यंत यूनियन गोटे नै गेले आउ n plus 1 रो तापरे यूनियन, right? Union associative union of sets, yes. So this implies union I is equal to n plus 1 AI whole complement is equal to call किया I is equal to 1 to n AI union A n plus 1 whole complement. This is equal to union I is equal to 1 to n AI complement intersection A n plus 1 complement, right? एतिक रहले एबे এটা হচ্ছে suppose double star. This is equal to intersection I is equal to 1 to n ai complement intersection n plus 1 complement. এটা হলো by star, এটা by double star. So this is ai, right? Hence Pn implies Pn plus 1. This is your triple star, right? বুঝুছ n ପାଇଁ true ହେଲେ automatically n plus 1 ପାଇଁ true ହେଇ ଯାଉଛି, right? ତାପରେ ଖାଲି ଲେଖି ଦବ so by principle of induction from star and triple star we have Pn is true for n greater than equal to 2. That is union I is equal to 1 to n ai whole complement is equal to intersection I is equal to 1 to n ai complement for n greater than equal to 2. For n greater than or equal to 2. So this is induction, very simple. हमें दीटा सेट पे जो आगे प्रमाण करिथिले एटा आउ थरे हमें करिदेले जे ए कंप्लीमेंट रहले a1 complement intersection a2 complement रहबो. So p2 is true, p2 not p1 not p0. काहे कि हमें यूनियन कथा उठिबो, इंटरसेक्शन कथा उठिबो बा डिफरेंस कथा उठिबो बा सिमेट्रिक डिफरेंस कथा उठिबो केते बेले जेते बेले दीटा सेट मिनिमम हम न. Here n starts from 2. So our 0, p0 means it is p2, right? So p2 is true. p2 true. तापरे assume कले suppose it is true for n. Induction principle अनुसार you have to assume that it is true for n. Yes, it is true for n means this happens. Now for n plus 1 union of ai up to n plus 1 कौन ना एति. So its complement is equal to complement of this, and this is, now you see this is one set union I is equal to 1 to n ai and an plus 1. These are two sets, intersection complement of the union of these two sets is equal to complement of this intersection by De Morgan's law. Yes, complement of this again is this by double star. We have assumed. So this is this. So it is nothing but intersection I is equal to 1 to n. I is equal to 1 to n plus 1 ai. So thus हमें कौन पहले, if the statement is true for n then it must be true for n plus 1. Thus hence Pn implies Pn plus 1 will लिखा है. Pn implies Pn जदि true हुए ताले Pn plus 1 निश्चित भावरे true हबो, right? तो from principle of induction Pn is true for every natural number n greater than equal to 2. Try to prove this part using principle of induction like this. So this is all about your in complement of a set, right? Complement of a set. Let us take another concept, that is difference of two sets. Sorry, symmetric difference of two sets. Yes. symmetric difference of, we have read difference of two sets. Let us take what is symmetric difference. Symmetric difference of two sets. Symmetric difference. If A and B, A symmetric difference B. पढ़ाओ कौनटा? A symmetric difference B. A symmetric difference B. A symmetric difference B or symmetric difference of A and B. A and B are two sets. This is equal to what? A symmetric difference B is equal to A difference B union B difference A. A difference B minus पढ़ियोनी मना करथिली. A difference B union B difference A. A difference B union B difference A. This is A symmetric difference B. Right? अच्छा आर आम जदि भेन डायग्राम करिबा, राइट, तो दरकार नहीं हमरो different sets no different cases. These are two intersecting sets A B. Here A symmetric difference B will be this part, right? A symmetric difference B. जेतेबेले दीटा सेट नॉन ओवरलैपिंग थिबे लाइक दिस, एटा थिबो A, एटा थिबो B, एटी कोन आसीबो? Symmetric difference will be A difference will be this A, B difference A will be this. This is A symmetric difference B. आउ जेतेबेले suppose A, this is B. Asymmetric difference B कोन आसबो? A difference B किछि आसबो न ऑल सेट, त एठी asymmetric difference B is nothing but B difference A. This is like this. This is this. और जोटी B is a subset of A. This is B. This is A. Yes. It will be same. A symmetric difference B here will be A difference B. So diagrammatic representation is this symmetric difference. Let us take an example. जब हम example लवा, suppose number case 1 A लवा A B C A B C D, suppose B अच्छी हमारा C D E, right? ताले A symmetric difference B कौन आसीबो? A difference B calculation एमति करबो. A difference B union B difference A, that is एटी कौन आसीबो? कोटे कर दोछि डिटेल. A difference B जोडा A रे अछंती B रे नांदी के A B union B difference A जोडा B रे अछंती A रे नांदी के आसीबो? E. ताले it will be A B E, right? अब दीटा जदी like this disjoint, एक केस रे हम कोन कहू these are two disjoint sets, they have no common element, ସେମାନଙ୍କର common element କିଛି ନାହିଁ। ଏମିତି ଗୋଟେ example ଯଦି ନବା ଆମେ, suppose a ହେଲା a b c, b ହେଲା p q r, p q r, ତାହେଲେ a symmetric difference b will be here, this is a union b, asymmetric difference b is equal to a union b, that is a b c p q r. Number 3 like this, suppose let a nova में a b c, b nova a b c d e, right? Here a is a subset of b, it is a symmetric difference b, asbo a difference b union b difference a, एति आसीबो a difference b union b difference, a difference b केते हबो, अरे a रो सब तक एलिमेंट अछंती, a difference b null set union b difference a कोन आसीबो d e, that is d e. And similarly for this say same thing, जोडी a टा b रो सबसेट एठी देखले b टा a रो सबसेट एका कथा, हां एटा आसीबो a difference b हबो। Number 4 नहीं जाओ कर दो तुम, right? So this is about symmetric difference. Let us discuss about the properties of symmetric difference, right? Yes, properties of symmetric difference. कौन करबा, properties or facts, properties. Number 1, a is a subset of b implies a symmetric difference b is nothing but b difference a. Number 2, a symmetric difference a is null set for all sets a. Number 3, a symmetric difference null set, right, is equal to a for all sets a. Number 4, a symmetric difference universal set is equal to a complement for all sets a. Number 5, a symmetric difference b is equal to b symmetric difference a. Commutative property कौन को आजिबाटा को हम जान चोला कि it is commutative property. Number 6, a symmetric difference b symmetric difference c is equal to a symmetric difference b symmetric difference c. एटा होची associative. Number 7, it is another definition of a symmetric difference b is equal to a union b difference a intersection b. And number 8, a intersection b symmetric difference c is equal to a intersection b symmetric difference a intersection c. Yes, these are the facts. suppose we will prove this. Prove A is a subset of B implies asymmetric difference B. Already we have seen it. We have seen it in the Venn diagram. So let us prove it logically, right? Try to prove. Given that A is a subset of B. And Praman Kariya to be proved. A symmetric difference B is equal to B difference A. Right? Acha. Now, A symmetric difference B is equal to A difference B union B difference A. A difference B union B difference A. And A is a subset of B. So A difference B will be what? It is null set union B difference A. So this is nothing but B difference A. Proved. Right? It is this. And since A is a subset of A itself, so number 2 you may prove that A symmetric difference A is equal to A difference A, that is null. And in the similar argument you can prove this. Now commutative. It's very simple. Number 5. A symmetric difference B is equal what? A difference B union B difference A. That can be written as B difference A union A difference B, and that is B symmetric difference A. Right? Okay. And in the similar manner you can prove this. I will give you in PDF the logical proof of the associative law, because it will be too long. It will not be accommodated in this whiteboard, so I will give you it in PDF, right? Then yes, question number 7. A symmetric difference B, another definition. Actually, while you see in Venn diagram, this is A, this is B. एठी आमे आस्तला A difference B एतिकी, B difference एटा एटा ए दिटर यूनियन. अच्छा वर्तमान हमको देखा जाउछ कोन टोटल यूनियन रो ई इंटरसेक्शन रा काढी देले आ जार हला, that is clear from the Venn diagram. So let us prove it logically. Let us prove it logically. How? Number 5. No, number 7. X belongs to A symmetric difference B. This is equal to X belongs to A difference B union B difference A. Right? And this implies, it is not equal, implies and implied by. Yes, and this implies and implied by X belongs to A difference B, or X belongs to B difference A. Very simple. From the definition of union, A difference B or X belongs to B difference A, and this implies, हमें गोटे को रखी थिबा एमती असुविधा पड़ियो. X belongs to A difference B or X belongs to B and X does not belong to A. So union is distributive over disjunction is distributive over disjunction. Conjunction. Disjunction is distributive over conjunction. ताले आगे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया. x belongs to a difference b or x belongs to b, এটা p or q, and p or r, x belongs to a difference b or x does not belong to a. Logic mane paka, p or q and r is equivalent to p or q and p or r. Since p or q and r is equivalent to p or q and p or r, right? And this implies and implied by, now you expand this, x belongs to a and x belongs does not belong to b, or x belongs to b. Yes, you have expanded it, and this implies x belongs to a and x does not belong to b, or x does not belong to a, right? I have just expanded, simply expand कराइछ. अच्छा वर्तमान एबे एठी हमें कौन करिबा, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करिया अगेन. This implies and implied by कौन हबो, p and q or r, p or r, that means x belongs to a or x belongs to b, and x does not belong to b or x belongs to b, right? This is one, and it has x belongs to a or x does not belong to a, one, and x does not belong to b or x does not belong to a, right? Okay, एठी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कली, एठी तीनटा स्टेटमेंट अछि, हम खाली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करिया वर्क. डिसजंक्शन इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव ओवर कंजंक्शन, एठी भी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कले में डिसजंक्शन ओवर कंजंक्शन कला द्वारा पर देखो एठी x belongs to a or x belongs to b, we will come back to set x belongs to कोन आसपठी a union b, a रे अछि किंबा b रे अछि, कोन लिखबा x belongs to a union b, right? And x will, अच्छा एटा x does not belong to b माने x belongs to b complement or x belongs to b, right? This is one and this is also one, x belongs to a or x belongs to a complement, and x belongs to b complement or x belongs to a complement. Yes. ठीक अछि, दरकार नहीं, x does not belong to b or x does not belong to a, कौन लिखबा छी, x does not belong to a intersection b, does not belong to लागले intersection लागबो, yes, union, right, and this implies x belongs to a union b and x belongs to b complement union b, এটা গোটে, and এটি হবে কোন x belongs to a union a complement and x does not belong to a intersection b, right? ये होता है x belongs to a union b and x belongs to b complement union, ता माने कोनटा X belongs to A union B and X belongs to the universal set B complement union B, right? B complement union B is the universal set, and X belongs to it. This is the universal set A union A complement. I have forgotten. I will prove it. A union A complement. It is equal to property भितर आमर लिखि परिबा हमें कोठी complement. A union A complement is the universal set, and X belongs to A intersection B whole complement, right? And this implies X belongs to A union B intersection universal set, and X belongs to U intersection A intersection B whole complement. And this implies X belongs to what? A union B. Eta kon hobo? X belongs to A intersection B whole complement, because universal set is the largest set, and this implies and implied by X belongs to A union B and X does not belong to A intersection B. ता माने implies and implied by X belongs to A union B, difference A intersection B. So A symmetric difference B हमें कौन पहले? It is A union B difference A intersection B. कर टिके क्लमजी लागुची किछि लागिबो नाही जदि हमें लॉजिक यूज करबा एवं हमें कोठी की जिबा से टारगेट राइट जेमदी हमें कहले similarly you can prove this one right, this one using algebra of sets हमें व्यवहार करि परिबा. Yes, X belongs to A symmetric difference B. We go through this, we will discuss in the later and also we will prove this. Okay, thank you all.